Want to configure Windows security for better everyday protection? Windows includes several security settings that you can review and adjust without installing another antivirus. In this guide, we'll go through the key settings and show you what to check. First, open Start and search for Windows Security. Select the app to open the dashboard. This is where you'll manage most of the built-in Windows protection features. Open Virus and Threat Protection and select Manage Settings. Make sure real-time protection is enabled. Also review cloud-delivered protection and automatic sample submission, which can help Defender respond to suspicious files. Next, review your scanning options. Quick Scan is useful for a fast check, while Full Scan examines more files. Microsoft Defender Offline can be useful when you need a scan outside the normal Windows environment. Return to the dashboard and open Firewall and Network Protection. Check each network profile and keep Microsoft Defender Firewall enabled. Open a profile if you need to review its settings. Now open App and Browser Control and select Reputation-Based Protection. Review Microsoft Defender Smart Screen and potentially unwanted app protection. These settings help protect against suspicious websites, downloads, and applications. Go back to Virus and Threat Protection and open Ransomware Protection. Review Controlled Folder Access. When enabled, it can help prevent untrusted applications from changing protected files. Next, open Device Security. Depending on your hardware, review Secure Boot, the security processor, and core isolation. Open Account Protection and review your sign-in options. If available, configure Windows Hello with a PIN, fingerprint, or facial recognition. Finally, open Protection Updates and select Check for Updates. Also check Windows Update. Keeping Windows and Defender updated is essential for current protection. Before finishing, open Protection History and review recent detections. If you see a warning, read the details carefully before taking action. Avoid changing settings unless you understand what they do, and that's how to configure Windows security. Keep real-time protection and the firewall enabled, review the other security features, and install updates regularly. So yeah, a few careful settings can give your PC solid built-in protection.